Hello learners, my name is Damanpreet Kaur and today we are going to study about decision making. Decision making is the process of choosing the best alternative present there among various types of alternatives. It is the selection of best alternative after analyzing various goals, various pros and cons. Choosing the best alternative in the list of various alternatives is the simple definition of decision making. Here comes the Simon model of decision making. The Simon model says there are three phases for decision making that are intelligence phase, design phase, and choice phase. Next comes the intelligence phase. Under the intelligence phase, we diagnose the problem, we see the various characteristics and features of the problem. For example, a doctor is analyzing the disease, diagnosing the disease, and identifying the disease, various symptoms of it, and various causes of it. After diagnosing the problem, the doctor is having various solutions for correcting the problem. For example, here the solutions are yoga, surgery, and taking medicines. The various solutions available will come under design phase. Here it is the process of designing outlines for the problems. What are the different solutions of that particular problem and what are the pros and cons of adopting that particular solution comes under the design phase. Then comes the last phase, which is called as the choice phase. After analyzing the various pros and cons of the particular solution for a particular problem, we select the best alternative solution which suits the problem. Next comes the model, the bounded rationality model of decision making. This is conducted by Herbert Simon. The motive of this model is to show that why we are lacking sometimes with our decision making. हमारे decisions कई बार क्यों गलत हो जाते हैं? These are the reasons indicating in that model. Number one is cognitive limitation. We are having the cognitive limitation. That means sometimes psychologically we are not intelligent. We are not that intelligent to predict the correct future. Sometimes it happens, and sometimes we are not fully minded. We suffer from absence of mind sometimes, and due to this, we are lacking with wrong decisions. We are lacking with correct decisions. Then comes the information imperfection. Sometimes we are not having the full and appropriate correct information for that particular problem. For example, we are charging the less price for the particular product. Why it happened? Because we were not having the knowledge of what is actually prevalent in the market, and due to this we have decided a wrong price for that product. Sometimes it is due to time constraint. We decide because we are not having much time to consider the select option available, and due to the less time, we in a rush manner we select the inappropriate decision. Now comes the on the purpose of decision making. We are having various types, for example strategic planning decision, management control decision, and operational control decision. The strategic planning decision is basically done by the top level manager. These decisions are very important because it is these decisions are based on achieving the goal. Decisions under the category are generally made for long period. The examples of this decision are introduction of new product and acquisition of new plant, which is generally done for a long period. It comes under the strategic planning decision. Then comes the management control decision. Sometimes management middle level managers and branch level managers takes various decisions on the basis of their department. Analysis of variance product mixed planning decision fall under the this category. Next comes the operational control decision. Day to day operations, the decision which are related to day to day operations. For example, regarding inventory control, which are taken by the bottom level managers, comes under the operational control decisions. So these are the slides of decision which indicates the importance of decision making and the various models related to it. Thank you for listening me carefully.